Port Michigan. Hey guys, here's TrainVideo. See it? Look. See the lights?
I don't think he's moving yet.
Boy, yep, he's moving. Is he moving? Did he just turn his lights on?
Yeah, but he hit the horn too.
Huh?
He hit the horn.
Really? Is it
See how bright it is?
Is it what?
He's moving now.
Huh?
He's moving.
Well, I mean, if the signal's all right at Washington, it's probably going to go south.
It might, but I don't think it's going south. I could be wrong.
Of course, the signal Washington right when we're on our way to that car.
I can't look all directions, so
It was all red, yeah, it was all red. I mean, if it's going west, then the signal has to be green red. Unless he pulls up and stops up here.
which is possible. He ain't going. Yeah, it's green.
Huh?
It's green. I just saw it. Yeah, he's going west.
Okay, westbound, guys. After this, we go to the impact. Is that the one park?
That was the one parked, yes.
What side do we get parked on? Here, let me unbuckle.
This side.
Alright, guys, there's a westbound coming that points up. So apparently, high five. High five. There's a new place right there. You know the name of it?
Trina.
Oh, it just closed. Wait for it. The gate's gonna go down Griswold any second, guys. The signal's red, blinking, green, red. At Waters, it just started the red, blinking, green, red. That westbound's coming. How many engines?
It's at least two. It'll be here soon.
100% sure it's coming left.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so there's your westbound coming. There's TrainVideo, so we're calling this now. Awesome. Yeah, the gates are down to Griswold. I can hear the gates going down to Griswold. You know? You hear the ding, 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 ding. Yep.
I think I'm hearing it.
Huh?
I think I hear it, but I don't see the light too much yet.
Is it going through? I mean, it is because the signal's red, green. But, I mean, I could be wrong. It might be go red, red. I don't know. Or is it something? Here it comes. Don't beat us, car. Don't beat us. Oh, he's coming fast. Alright, guys. Here it comes. Looks like number 2. Alright, guys, it's coming.
$88.79 and $57.44.
8879 and
57.74. Yeah.
Why is he going here? Why is he going?
He was saying hi.
Huh?
He was saying hi because you were waving. He went to that.
Oh.
That was his wave. He just used the horn.
Which track is that? The far one?
Yeah, there was one blinking green. You could barely see it until you got way past the tracks. Well, that was
What the
sharp.
hell?
He was a little guy, huh? was short.
So it's short. Alright guys, that was a short one.
I bet you anything he's got more cars to pick up.
Is that what he's doing?
Probably in Lapeer or Emily City or something, he's gonna have to pick up more
So sometimes
cars.
I see trains, they don't have all the cars.
Yeah, it's too much power.
Then
Two
said
engines.
sometimes they have to move to different locations. Is that true?
Sometimes. Now,
How do they take...
when I looked that way, I thought I seen a yellow signal.
On the eastbound track?
Yeah.
There are two short trains and one real long one.
No.
Huh?
No, I don't see that.
Red?
All red.
Oh, alright. Bye guys, it's off now. Port Huron, Michigan.